Hi, my name is Vijay. I'm a machinist here at Elk Grove. Today, in this next episode, I will show you how we make flanges here in GNB. Most companies, this flange is considered as the biggest valve they make, but here in GNB, this is the biggest we do. And we can do bigger than this too. To make it this kind of a bigger flange, we need a special lathe, and we have this here in GNB. In this episode, I will show you how we make the flanges here in GNB. This is a vertical turning lathe. I've been running this for past 16 years. Right now, I'm turning a flange. It's a mild steel flange. The diameter is 66 and a quarter. I've secured really good with 4 clamps, and I'm doing right now, I've been doing outside diameter, and then inside is already done. Then after that, I have to flip and then finish the part. This machine, the maximum diameter I can run here is 120 inches, the length. I can go all the way up to 48 inches. Right now, I'm doing an OD, cutting the outside diameter. As you can see, it's turning. The diameter right now is 66.6, and I have to go all the way to 66 and a quarter. This particular part will take at least 10 to 12 hours to finish the part. Thank you for watching how we make flanges here in GNB. For your vacuum needs, please consider GNB Elk Grove.